Hello, welcome. At the end of this video, you're going to identify the different forms of business organization and differentiate the different forms of business organization. So, a service business is a type of business that offers professional skills, advices, and consultations. So, if you're wondering how service business earns their profit, it is like on the barber shop, on hotel management, because they are offering professional skills in order to provide services. When we say professional skills, you do not need a raw material or raw products for you to generate your income. They can also earn money through advices and consultations like doctors, teachers, and some other professional that do the same jobs. So, because of their education and their skills, they were being hired and being paid off. So that's how a service business earn their profit. So the advantages of a service business is that it is a type of business that is easy to handle because you just need your professional skills and consultation. Another advantage is that service business do not have inventory. So they do not need another products to sell, a new product to lend it to customers. They just need themselves or their professional skills and they will acquire income. It is also easy to manage since you do not need to look for the inventory, you look for a supplier for you to earn your profit. So, but the disadvantage of this business is that it is limited on the work schedule of the professionals. Sometimes it could be exhausting. It is costly since the higher the education, the higher the business, the higher professional skills they can acquire. Okay? So, another type of business is a merchandising business. So, a merchandising business is a type of business that buys at wholesale and later sells the product at retail. So, they make a profit by selling the merchandise or products at prices that are higher than their purchase cost. So, this type of business is also known as buy and sell. So, like what we see on Facebooks, those who use mystery sacks, so they are buying the sack at a certain price and then they sell it to their customers. So that is a merchandising business. So a flower shop is a merchandising business because they buy flowers and then sell it to customer. So a fish shop also is a merchandising business because they buy fishes from fishermen and then they sold the fishes at a higher price so they could have their profit. That's why it is a merchandising business. So remember, if the concept of the business is buy and sell, then the business is a merchandising business. The next is what we call a manufacturing business. So, a manufacturing business is a type of business that buys raw materials and uses them in making a new product. Therefore, they combine raw materials, the labor, and expenses into a product for sale later on. So, when we say manufacturing business, you are buying raw materials. Like on bakeries, they buy raw materials like flour, sugar. They also buy equipments. They also pay the labor of the employees. They also have expenses. And then they will make a new product and sell the product as their own. So, for both manufacturing and merchandising business, their advantage is that that they could earn much compared to service business. The disadvantage of a manufacturing business and a merchandising business is that they have what we call the inventory, wherein if you do not have enough inventory on your storage room, then the product or the products that you will provide will be lessened, or by applying the rules of law and demand. So the more the inventories that you have, the more profit you can make. The lesser inventory you have, the lesser profit you can make. So these are the three major type forms of business organization. But nowadays, we also have what we call hybrid businesses. So when we say hybrid businesses, these are businesses or business organization that is consist of service and manufacturing, service and merchandising, or the three forms of business. That's why it's called hybrid business. So those are the different form of business organization according to their activities. So I hope this video helps make clear the different types or the different form of business organizations. Hello, welcome. So for today's video, we're going to talk about the accounting concepts and principles. So at the end of this video, you're going to explain the varied accounting concept and principles. You're going to solve exercises on accounting principles as applied in various cases. So, this lesson, you need to watch it very carefully, and you need to follow this concept and principles. Since you are taking accountancy, business, and management, i-apply natin itong concept and principles na to throughout until accounting 2. So, as you choose accountancy and business management, kasama sa pagbabago is that sundin natin tong concepts and principles na meron. So, kung merong part sa video na hindi nyo maiintindihan or maguguluhan tayo, i-take down notes natin at itanong natin pagdating ng MS Teams. Sa mga hindi naman maintindihan ng video, panoorin natin ulit ang video kung kinakailangan. At wag nating i-skip ang video na to. Kagaya na sinabi ko sa inyo, this is very important kasi once na hindi nyo naintindihan or hindi nyo na-gets ang concept and principles na meron tayo dito, may hirapan tayo sa pag-take ng accounting 1. At kung mahirapan tayo sa pag-take ng Accounting 1, i-expect natin na pagdating ng Accounting 2 ay mas mahihirapan pa tayo. So, this video is very important and crucial for those serious na mag-take ng accountancy and business management.